All right, so I just got this, and it's a pretty cool little phone stand, and it's perfect for making videos if you don't have a tripod and you need something small and you're just going to have it facing you. So this is what it looks like when it pulls out, right? That's the bottom of it. Then you just kind of pull on this and it opens up, and that's it right there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So let's grab a phone, and you got a couple ways you can do it. You can put one on like this. Get rid of that. So let's go ahead and grab a phone. We'll set it down. You can see it sits this way, right? Or it could sit this way. You follow me? Let me back it up a little bit so you see. Yeah, just like that. So you got a couple choices. Now you can also change the attitude of it, right? Look at that. So you want to do that shot. You want to bring it forward. So it's a pretty good little stand, man. And it works perfect. You can do the selfies this way, right? It's falling on me, but there it is, man. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting this. You can get it right on Amazon. Got a sticker on here, so, and then it folds up just like that. Look at that, and you can push it in. So it does. So let me just show you. It comes open like this, pops out, and then you can extend it. You see that? So yeah, that's kind of cool, right? So look at this, see? It does that. And then to fold it, you just do that. And basically that's it right there. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Get it right here on Amazon. Peace out.